What up, people? Got a new laptop fan and I'm doing an unboxing. Alright, let's do this. I got a bone to pick with somebody that I bought this fan from first. They ain't said thank you, they didn't open the fan, they didn't touch the fan like they should have. They could have been doing a whole lot more stuff. Nope. Alright, so what does it say? Fold in storage, it folds. It has a heat disperse. Heat dissipation. You know what's wrong with me? I was having a mental issue right there. Easy to carry. Fixed and stable. This is what it's gonna look like. How many of you try to tear the box apart when you get something new, or take your time? Me? I used to tear the box apart, now I just take my time. Why? It's fun that way. So, 6-fan notebook, radiator. What? Why do they call it a radiator? Okay. Now I got a problem with this. Just give me a website where I can go look this up. Because this little ass pieces of paper, people can't read this just looking at it unless they got super thick ass glasses or they got super zoom on. Yeah. Okay. Now, the actual fan, the star of the show. Let's see. Yes, this knife is that sharp. I don't really have to press down on anything to get it to do what I want it to do. And it's a long time coming because the one I got is loud. So look, check this out. When you put your laptop down, you put this down and it'll stop it from sliding off. So if you're holding it at an angle, because you can actually put this at an angle, here, let me show you. So see how the back looks? There you go. Yeah. So if it's at that angle, bam. See what I'm saying? Bam. See? Alright, so I need to turn it on just for a quick second just to hear what it sounds like. I'm sure it's gonna be quiet. Why do they give you this little tie? Or this could be a little bit longer. This cord ain't really long enough. But as you can see what kind of cord it is, these kind of ends. I already got one of these from the other laptop fan. Let's see which cord is longer. Are they about the same? Yeah, they're about the same, so it really don't matter, huh? It don't matter, but it's still making it crazy. So, about this long. This is the same length as the other one. Until then, got a new laptop fan. This old one. This one loud. It is loud. When you plug it up, it is loud. Alright, until then, catch you in the next one. I'm out, y'all.